Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and my local thrift shop once again had another 50% off sale, so that means it's time for a thrifty mini haul show and tell and styling. This time it's all about trousers, so let's see what I got. So this is just a pair of pretty standard plain black trousers. They're actually kind of like a light denim, which is wonderful for everyday wear. But when I got them home and finally tried them on, they ended up being a little bit too big for me, which I don't care. I'm a refashionista. I rarely try stuff on in the thrift store. I bring it home because I know if it doesn't fit, I can make it fit or I can transform it into something else. And then there's a new tutorial for you guys as well. But it's also the fact that they are quite a bit too long for me. So yeah, I'm going to take in the waist and shorten them, and let me know down below if you would like me to create a fix it mend it tutorial for you guys for those two things. These are absolutely awesome 80s office lady style trousers, and they fit me perfectly. I absolutely love this style of trousers, and they don't really make them anymore, and pretty much the only place you can get them is at the thrift shop, and the pockets are lovely and deep, which of course is absolutely amazing, and these fit me like a glove. Nothing needs to be done to these. They are fabulous, and once again they have that amazing 1980s tag. These stunning black velvet trousers are definitely late 80s, maybe early 90s, but they are totally super soft and in mint condition, and they have a full lining on them. Just amazing. And the only thing I had to do was replace the missing interior button. So that was absolutely amazing. Now, each one of these, because they were 50% off, only cost me $3.50, which is fabulous. I mean, velvet trousers, lined velvet trousers for $3.50. That is a steal of a deal. And of course, they're vintage, which is even more awesome.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.